Yeah, opposite direction, from opposite direction.
No, it is coming dark actually. From there it is coming bright.
Always take from here, somewhat, like, these numbers should be clear.
No,
yes, come on. Now I am jumping to another technique here. How to make the squares here. Squares or different types here. Squares. I am giving here totally 3 types of squares making system here. First, if it is 0 in ending, then say 40 square. 40 square. This is very simple technique. Here, make the square of first. Square of 4 is 60. Square of single 0 is double 0. Square of single 0 is double 0. Okay, this is answer. Finish. Okay. Then square of, now question to you. Square of 70 is? Yes, come on. Yes, square of 70. Yes, square of 70. Yes, please.
4,900.
Wow, super, very nice. 4,000. Okay, your good name, class name, school name, and area. Yes.
My good name.
Yes. Yes.
My good name is Michael. My good name Michael. I am studying in class 8. My school name is Blue School CBSE, area Vinayanagar, Piranwadi.
Good. Thank you. Next, there is another technique. Numbers ending in 5. See that numbers ending in 5. Say 55 square. 55 square. Here there is a technique. If number ends in 5, then add 1 to first. Add 1 to first. 5 plus 1? 6. This is 6. And do the multiplication of this 6 and 5. 30. And square of last one. 25. This is always 25 square. 5 square. Only technique is that add 1 to the first. And whatever the number you get, do the multiplication that first and whatever the number you have got. Okay? 5 6 the 30. Then 5 square 25. Okay, what will be the square of 65? Yes, come on. Yes. Yes, you can. 65. 6 plus 1, 7.
7 5 35.
6 1 minute. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 6
42.
42. And 5 square 25. 75. That's over. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, next. Okay, next question. Next question. Square of 75. Yes, come on. 75. Is it right? 5,625. Come here, please. Yes, come on. Who answered that? Come here. Please, who answered that? Come here. Yes, please. Your good name.
Myself, Dhananand Sandhi. I am studying in Lute School and my grade is 9th. Area Vinayak Nagar, Tirunelveli.
Wow, thank you. Thank you. Please.
My name is Srishti Jyotika Kundoji. I am studying in grade 7, area Vinayak Nagar, Tirunelveli.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Last one. Last one in this series, squaring series. The number ending in any digit. You can do the squares of the world's number now. Square of any number. Come on. Come on. Say 96 8's a square. 96 8's a square. There is a technique. Take the square of first. Square of 9 is 81. Again, square of the second. 36. Remember that. Square of first, square of second. Both together should be taken here and show that they will make a bigger number. Then by leaving last one, last place you should leave that. Next, now take the multiplication of these two. Multiplication of these two. 9 6 54. Make it double. 108. Come on, add that. 108. Add that. This is 6, 11, 1, carry on, 2, 9. Okay, this is the square of 96. Is it clear? Do you want to take down this? Please, big. Yes, madam. Let us jump to the last one now. I am giving one small division. How to make division. Okay. Now, see that? Are you ready? Stop writing and look at this now. Okay, last only 5 minutes. Come on. Say division. 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 5. The number divided by 5. Then we use another technique here in division. If it is divided by 3 or 4 or 2 or 7, different techniques are there for different numbers. Okay, now for 5. Remaining things you will get in my YouTube channel. Just observe this one. Come on. Here is a technique. Whatever the number you have given, make it double. Make it double. 4 double 8. 3 double. Suppose if there is 6, 12. Then you have to take 2 here and 1 should be carry on given to next one. Okay? Remember that. Now, but here no carry on now. 4 double 8, 3 double 6, and this is 4 and this is 2. Is it clear? There is another technique, that is, here is a single 5. Single 5. Have you got? Then, by leaving single digit, put the decimal. Okay, this is your answer. Yes, this is answer. Finish. Yes, problem is. Yes. Okay. Yes, come on here. Now let me solve in this your school method. Now let me solve this in your school method. Come on. School method. This is technical. 1 minute. Now look at this only. Now school method. How this can be solved in the school? Remember that I am the first person in the world who can give you the solutions of for the same problem in both the format, schooling as well as technical. Okay, come on here. Now schooling method. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 5. Here we have the rule in school syllabus that 5 should be made in 10s and 20s and 100s like that. Here is nearest is 10. 5 to the 10. The same should be taken upside. Okay? To maintain ratio in a balanced system. Okay? Then next we do here 5 to the 10. Now 2 for the 6. Okay. Now here is a single 0. We have to take here the decimal living single 0, single digit. That's the answer. This is school method. Yes. This is school method and this is technical. See that how these both linked that. How these both linked that. See that. We say here, orally we say here, make it double. In school method, it has taken double here. Again, we say there is 1 digit, put the decimal leaving 1. In school, we say there is 1 0, by leaving 1, put the decimal. This is the only idea. So remember, whatever the techniques in present in the maths or I am giving in YouTube channel, all are directly linked with the school syllabus. If we follow both the techniques, school syllabus and technical answers, you will become a super ranker. Only that, such things, many things are there. So these all things made my students super rankers. And my daughters today they are the super students. They can cover papers within half an hour, any paper, with full marks, because of super good writing, technical writing. For the writings also I made videos. There you will say, you will observe, you will watch that video that is called Ankush English Handwriting. Not only English, but you can cover all the writings of the world. You can easily improve your writings. Kannada, Hindi, English, Marathi, whatever it may be. Okay? There is video in YouTube channel that is called Ankush English handwriting video. Please today watch that by evening. Then there is another video, Ankush study method. If you follow this method, that is Ankush study method, there I have given a technical system to read, understand, create questions, answering, then memorizing. It's a supermost video in the world. If you follow that video, you will become a super anchor. Within 2 Saturdays and 2 Sundays, you can cover one full books, your books, completely you can get practical study. Within 2 Saturdays and 2 Sundays, you can cover these your books, one books, practically, technically, super. All the books you can cover. So then you can answer in a very perfect manner. You can cover your papers very properly. Your writing should be super technically formed, and your reading, writing, understanding, that is Ankush study method. Remember, Ankush study method. Okay, I am giving one set of videos to your principal and request principal to share those as it is, because the first will be Ankush study method video. If you follow this, you can cover your books, one books within 2 Saturdays and 2 Sundays. Okay? Then Ankush English handwriting. Then there are many math techniques are there. Then again tables are there, up to 100, up to 1000. Many videos are there. And last, I am giving you one idea how to study every day. Timetables are there. There are many timetables. For example, for the Saturday, how to follow, because it's a half day, and Sunday is a full holiday. So how to follow study on Sunday, and Dasara Diwali vacation, Christmas vacations, and also the summer vacations. Many videos are there concerned with the timetable. But whenever schools runs, in these days, you have to follow Ankush study timetable 3 times a day. Extraordinary procedure is Ankush study timetable 3 times a day. That is Ankush timetable. Please follow these all. Many videos are there. In my YouTube channel, you are getting more than 400 videos. Among them, you are getting more than 300 videos in maths. Okay? And remaining all supporting your studies. Okay? Anyhow, I think that you have got at least little bit idea how to study, how to follow, how to make the squares and these all things, the tables. Okay? At least a basic idea. But I can't give here in a single session all the things. But follow my YouTube channel, you will get maximum ideas. Okay? Okay. I am very thankful to your principal madam and our chairman sir, who gave me very nice chance to share my ideas with all of you. Then chairman sir and madam and all the staff members and all of you, I am very thankful to one and all. Thank you very much. Thank you. Please, today only subscribe to YouTube channel Ankush Durgi. It's a super useful channel for you. That's Ankush Durgi. Subscribe them, and if you like, please like it and share to your all friends, relatives and all. Okay, neighbors, all them. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It was lovely having you here for this session. We are all, on behalf of all the teachers and students, a big thank you to you.
Thank you. Please, your good name, madam.
My name is Priyanka Nagesh Patil.
Yes.
And I am working in Loot CBSE School,
Yes.
Vinayak Nagar, Piranwadi. Currently I am teaching for grade 5. I am the class teacher of grade 5.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.